Kale Caesar Salad with Crispy Chickpeas, a healthy and flavorful twist. Imagine a Caesar salad that is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients, crunch, and bold flavors. This Kale Caesar salad with crispy chickpeas is the ultimate game changer, bringing together the heartiness of kale, the creaminess of a homemade dressing, and the satisfying crunch of roasted chickpeas. Whether you're looking for a wholesome lunch, a light dinner, or a stunning side dish, this salad is here to impress. Why kale and chickpeas?
Kale is a powerhouse of nutrition, loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, while chickpeas offer plant-based protein and fiber, making this salad as nourishing as it is tasty.
By swapping traditional croutons for crispy chickpeas, we add an irresistible crunch while keeping things gluten-free and nutrient-dense. Ingredients: serves 4. For the salad: 1 large bunch of kale, stems removed and leaves chopped. ½ cup grated Parmesan cheese. 1/4 cup sliced almonds, optional for extra crunch. Half lemon, cut into wedges, for serving. For the crispy chickpeas: 1 can, 15 ounces, chickpeas, drained and rinsed. 1 tablespoon olive oil. ½ teaspoon garlic powder. ½ teaspoon smoked paprika. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. For the Caesar dressing: ½ cup plain Greek yogurt. 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard. 1 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce. 1 garlic clove, minced. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. Step 1. Make the crispy chickpeas. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Pat the chickpeas dry with a paper towel to remove excess moisture. In a bowl, toss them with olive oil, garlic powder, smoked paprika, salt, and black pepper. Spread them evenly on a baking sheet and roast for 20 to 25 minutes, shaking the pan halfway through, until they turn golden brown and crispy. Let them cool slightly while you prepare the salad. Step 2. Prepare the dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together Greek yogurt, Parmesan cheese, olive oil, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, Worcestershire sauce, and minced garlic. Season with salt and pepper to taste. If you prefer a thinner consistency, add a teaspoon of water or more lemon juice. Step 3. Assemble the salad. Place the chopped kale in a large bowl. Drizzle a little olive oil over the kale and massage the leaves with your hands for about a minute. This helps soften the leaves and reduces their bitterness. Pour the dressing over the kale and toss to coat evenly. Add the grated Parmesan cheese and sliced almonds, if using, and toss again. Step 4. Add the crunch. Top the salad with crispy chickpeas right before serving to maintain their crunch. Serve with lemon wedges for an extra fresh kick. Tips for the best Kale Caesar salad. Massage the kale. This simple trick makes the leaves tender and enhances their flavor. Make it vegan. Swap Parmesan for nutritional yeast and use a plant-based yogurt. Meal prep friendly. Store the dressing and chickpeas separately to keep everything fresh. This Kale Caesar salad with crispy chickpeas is proof that healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. Are you ready to give this delicious and nutritious twist on a classic Caesar salad a try?